Sphinx pose. With the knees bent, the toes are pointing up. Bring your chest forward. Press your pelvic on the mat. Stay here if this is enough for you. Or inhale, extend your arms. And exhale down. Let's flow through this. Extend to cobra. Sphinx down. We do it for 4, 3, 2, 1. And stay up. Breathe here. Inhale. And exhale. Just come down. Plant your hands into the mat. Extend the legs. Press yourself to tabletop. Inhale. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale. Bring the right leg high. Exhale. Low lunge. Foot between your hands. Draw the back knee. Hips down. Inhale. Bring your arms up. Crescent lunge. Exhale. Grab your elbows with your positive hand. Twist to the left. Breathe here. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the right arm down, the other arm over your head. Feel the left side stretch. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus hand, gaze up, chest up. Squeeze the left glute. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, both hands into the mat. Find your downward facing dog. Other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Drop the back knee. Inhale, crescent moon, reach with your arms to the sky. Squeeze the right glute, inhale. Exhale, grab your elbows with your positive hand. Twist to the right. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the left. Left arm down, the other arm overhead. Feel the right side stretch and breathe. Inhale, both arms up. Bend the elbows, cactus hand. Squeeze the right glute. Chest is up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, both hands into the mat. And then swing the hips to the side. Come to laying down into your back with your knees bent. For bridge pose. Solo your feet hip distance apart. Press to the sole of your feet. Inhale, bring your hips up. Squeeze your glutes. Option to bring your hands under your back. You braid your shoulders. Shoulder blade together. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, drop your hips down. Extend the left leg. And then lift the left leg extended to align with the other knee that is bent. Inhale, bridge pose with legs extended. Inhale. Exhale, drop down. Other side, bridge pose with left leg extended. Breathe here. Inhale, exhale, come down. Supta Baddha Konasana. Solo your feet together. Open your knees wide. Breathe here. Okay, let's find a nice, comfortable seated pose and let's start to meditate. Your spine is long, the crown of your head to the sky. Just bring your palms over your thigh, palms facing up. Start to connect with your breathing. As you inhale, feel the expansion of your body, and as you exhale, exhale through the mouth, feel how your body relaxes. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And just stay quiet with yourself. Just going within yourself. Keep checking your breathing. It is time to come back. Let's start to move your fingers, your shoulders, your neck. Open your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your third eye. Namaste.